So I had somebody ask me about how to breed muff to a non-muffed bird and what the results would be, and so I thought I'd go over that now. As you can see here, it is a dominant trait, and the symbol is MB. That stands for muff beard, and it's an uppercase M because it is dominant. Now, the gene to show that they are lacking that trait is lowercase mb. So for the first part of this, I'm just going to use my little colored circles to explain it. So if you breed a full beard to a clean face, everything will come out bearded, but only partially. The hen's beards will look kind of tight to the face, and the males will have wattles develop out of the beard. Call that a partial beard. So if you breed a partial beard back to a clean face, you're going to get about a quarter of them, if I did it right, that are going to have that partial beard, and the majority are going to come out clean faced. So if you're trying to breed muff, you're going the wrong way. But if you're trying to breed the muff off of them, you're going the right way. Now let's say you got two that are partial. Let's say you pick up a pair of muffs from a guy and you don't know if they're full or partial. Well, if they're partial, then you're going to get 25% that are full bearded, 25% are going to come out clean faced, and 50% are going to be partial bearded. Now, just because you get a clean faced bird out of the line of muffs does not mean that they bred something else into them. It just means they never bred them to always be fully muffed. And if you take two clean faces from a line of muffs and breed them together, all the offspring are going to be clean faced. Alright? Now, just to give you an idea here, this is called a Punnett Square, and this is how you figure out your inheritance. So, this is your male. Always put the male first. This is your female. Now, in this particular mating that I drew up, we've got a partially bearded male and a fully bearded female. So I'm going to take and I'm going to draw this little square, and this symbol is going to go here, this symbol is going to go here, and even though they're the same here, you got to make two separate rows for these. So this one goes here, and this one goes here. Okay, so then what you do is you take and write this symbol and this symbol in this box. Same thing here. This symbol and this symbol go in that box and this box. So what this tells us is if you breed a fully bearded to a partially bearded, half of your offspring are going to be fully bearded and half of your offspring are going to be partially bearded. And this, in a nutshell, is how pretty much all dominant genetic traits work. So I hope that answers your question, and have a good day.